Everybody, this is Tommy, the Techno Blog of North America, and got a fun video today. It's been a while, so I got something pretty cool here. It's the new Red Dead Redemption game, Red Dead Redemption 2. Here, let me show you. So this is the first Red Dead Redemption game on the Xbox. I have this. But that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about a new one, and I'm going to unbox it and review it. So I already played it a little bit at a friend's house this morning, so I got an idea of what it is, so I can review it. I'll be one of the first ones to have a real review on YouTube. So yes, the packaging looks cool. Let's seal off so they don't damage it. That's out. Came out good. Came off nice and easy. So here it is. Keep on there. Man, I can't get this so screwed up. Okay, there we go. That's all the tape. Whoa. A little weird here. Disc is on the left side. It looks like that for me. And what we have in here, we have a game add-on. It's like a Warhorse and Outlaw survival kit. Like that. And then we got a map, I think. Full color map. And pretty sick. We got New Austin, Mexico on this side. Yeah, there's the map for the game. Decided to explore that one. And there's only one disc. I heard there's only 2 discs. Oh, there we go. That's weird. There we go. 2 discs. I thought it'd be like a flip cover. So this disc, you need like a disc to install disc 1 first, and then it says insert disc 2. It's kind of odd. Yeah. So that's the contents. Yeah, that's the contents. So I'll give you a quick review of the game, just my thoughts on it, kind of what the game is. Cut that out real quick. Ran out of room, recording room, that's stuff, unreleased stuff that's got to be going out. So here we go, review. So it's America 1899. Yeah, it's the end of the Wild West era, but that has begun. So like the end of the Wild West era has begun, basically. So after a robbery goes wrong, the western town of Blackwater, Arthur Morgan and the Vanderland gang, they're forced to flee. So the federal agents and the best bounty hunters in the nation are amassing on their heels, and the gang must rob, steal, and fight their way across the rugged heartland of America in order to survive. As deepening internal divisions threaten to tear the gang apart, Arthur must make a choice between his own ideals and loyalty to the gang who raised him. So it's pretty fun. That's my review. Thanks to my buddy who let me play his game this morning while I waited to get my copy. Shout out to Best Buy. So yeah, I'm stoked to play this again. Thanks for watching.